हांव डिक्सनवाज सरपंच विलेज पंचायत कावेलसीम. आयज आमगेली ग्रामसभा जाल्या आनी एक ग्रामसभाक आमगेले थोडेशे पॉयंट आमी ते रेज केले ते वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट वन वॉज 2019 CZMP प्लॅन ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन पट धाडला हो आमकां पयर थ्रू ईमेल येयला ओके फ्रॉम द PDO आनी ईमेल येयला आनी हेजेरी आमकां तो 14 तारखेक ईमेल येयला आनी इट इज ऑल अबाउट गोवा. बट जेन्ना आमी कावेलोसींक आमगेलो ड्राफ्ट प्लॅन तो 2019 चोयल जाल्यार what was shocking was it is shown as Betul Port. बेतुलागू पोर्ट दाखयला आनी ऑपोजिट ऑल बेतूल इज कावेलोसी मोबोर आनी ही एरिया आहा ती फुल एरिया इज शोन एज MPA मर्मुगा पोर्ट अथॉरिटी which people have objected and we have rejected it completely that they should scrap because 2011 ago हो पोर्ट लिमिट आहा तो आसोना 2011 हा पोर्ट लिमिट आसोना थिंगा तो काडलो because people have objected the satellite port and suddenly in this plan it has been shown. So it was very shocking. That's why we have convened a meeting. सगळे आमगेले फिशरमॅन शॅक ऑपरेटर्स जावं वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स आनी लोकूय आमकां हिंगा पोर्ट नाका बेतलां इवन दो इट इज नॉट इन आवर विलेज इट इज ऑपोजिट आमकां कित्याक नाका तें सांगलां वी आर डिपेंडिंग ओनली ऑन ट्युरिझम आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार हे पाटी CZMP CRZ आमकां हो गेल ते पार्टी फायनलायज करून पयले ड्राफ्ट प्लॅनाक पब्लीक नोटिफिकेशन हियरिंग नोटिफिकेशन म्हणून धाडले हे पाटी कांय धाडला एक ईमेल धाडला आनी दॅट इज टू सेक्रेटरी आनी आयज कितें जातलें ताका डेडलायन दिला 20 तारीख आज 18 तारीख आमगे घेयली बट अदर पंचायत हू हॅव नॉट ओपन द ईमेल्स ऑर दे आर नॉट अवेअर इट इज नॉट गुड. सो आमी हेचेर निशेध मारला. सो वी हॅव अपोज्ड एवरीबडी ऑल टुगेदर इन दीस ग्राम सभा सेईंग दॅट we reject the Betul port and the Murmunga port authority. So dusro ani ek mudda allo म्हटल्यार तो stray dogs that village panchayat from last 1 year is working very hard because we had a lot of stray dogs stray bite issues on the beach. Finally after working along with the authorities along with the NGOs along with our dog shelter we have minimized and I can tell panchayat has been complimented by the Gram Sabha members that with our efforts at least the dog bites has been almost zero. Last 6 months जाले आमकां व्हडले डॉग बायट असो केन्ना येयल ना बिकॉज आमी दोन पाटी एक कडेन सुण्याक जेवण घाताय वी आर स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी एंड वेर डॉग्स आर बीन फीडेड स्ट्रे डॉग बीच साइड स्पेशली डॉग्स आर बीन फीडेड ट्वाइस अ डे 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock by one of our Gram Sabha members आनी म्हाका दिसता अदर मेजर्स स्टरलायझेशन केला आमी वॅक्सिनेशन कोताय सो दॅट डॉग bite issue has been reduced almost to zero so that we are very happy. And एक point आलो म्हटल्यार तो recovery of dues from all the star hotels. एक last 3 years कितें जाताले there was not recovered means there was some hotels some establishment was star they were not paid they had not paid some kind of the luxury tax on the rooms and it is not only their fault it is because the previous body have not issued them the demand note. तांकां फारीक करपाक जाय म्हणून तांकां हे थोडो टॅक्स तेंचेरी घालूना आनी तो आमी रिकवर करपाक ग्राम सभा मेंबर्स लास्ट 2 years वी बीन वर्किंग very hard. So I want to thank also the establishment. So we have come to an agreement that it was an error and it has been and they have promised and almost 90% of them already paid the error. So we have recovered the dues from 2019 to 2021. So we have recovered that. Another one was of the jetty which is in Mobor. So थिंगा आमगेली एक jetty आहा जे fish landing आणि loading जाता आणि activities जाताय. So थिंगा लोकांक oppose जाल्लो so we the members have discussed and we have taken a resolution to send them the notice so that all these activities if they are illegal should be stopped. So आमी तेगेली तकड permission आहाय हो नाय कितें आहाय ते आमी चयतले. This issue has been going on for many years. Kavelishin Village Forum have filed a complaint on them and the matter is also with the CRZ and also the owner has been fighting. So we will decide and we will send a notice and we will take the next course of action.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.